Alright, so in order to replace your belts, you literally only need two tools. You need a 12mm socket wrench, hopefully with the little swivel because it makes it easier. And then you need a 14mm socket. And all you need to do is loosen up that bolt, that's the 14, and then you want to loosen up the tensioner, which is the 12 on the ratchet. So you just do that on both sides, so here and then here on this one, and then that tensioner right there. So you just want to loosen those up, and that way there's no tension on the belts and they can be removed. And then when you put them back on, you can literally just wrap it right over your fan. You don't need to take anything else off. You don't need to disconnect the battery, none of that stuff. It's just super simple. So, all right, so once you've released the tensioner, you can just slip this right off. See, just pop it down. It's not the best view, but you can pretty much tell what I'm doing here. See? And then you can just get it off from around the fan blade. Slip it around the fan blade, and it'll literally just drop on the ground. So, on the bottom here, I can really just pull these right out. See, simple, easy. All right, now let's install the new ones. All right, a good rule of thumb too before you install the new ones is to clean these out, clean the grooves out, because see all the shit in there? Like, I think this is why mine was squealing before, because it was gunked up. So you want to use like some kind of a scraper tool, and then yeah, just clean these out, clean out the grooves, and then you can brush them away with like a toothbrush or something, and that should help, you know. All right, once you've cleaned off all the little grooves, just to make sure it seats correctly, you want to go ahead and just reverse order, slip on the new one here, and it should just come right on. So now you gotta push up on this here. Well, that's in place. Make sure this is good. And layer two. Sure it's in. Alright. So now that it's seated from the bottom, let's make sure it's good from the top. So now that you got the bottom on, just go ahead and pull the top over. That's good. See, it's all where it needs to be. All right, now let's tighten that one up. Well, let's get the other one first, actually. All right, so same as before. You want to make sure that you get it over the fan. Let's get this on here. Get that on there. There. Okay, so now the top's good. Then we can finish it from the bottom. Get that on there, like that. this on the other side of that. You probably will help to release the tension a lot more to get it to go. Huh? Pretty good. Both belts are back on. I just need to tighten them up and it should be good to go. All right, let's start her up and see if we did it right. Sounds pretty good.